So I came across this article a couple of days ago. I'm a bit slow in reporting it, but here I am. It's saying here cabbie's face slashed because he sneezed. So obviously a cabbie is someone who drives a taxi. Beep beep beep, radar going off. My radar definitely was buzzing for this one. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. It was reported on the 7th of this month, just a couple days ago. It's saying here a 47-year-old taxi operator from Ocho Rios, St. Anne, that this is in Jamaica, was slashed in his face by a knife brandishing man because he dared to sneeze as the man walked by. So this is how paranoid people are with the whole coronavirus thing. The cabbie, Johnny, who was attacked last Wednesday, said the man was given station bail within minutes of being arrested. However, this could not be confirmed by the police at press time, as the corporate communications unit said it had no knowledge of the matter. Okay, so something as brazen as this happened, more than likely it probably happened in broad daylight, right? And people are saying that they had no knowledge of it. Well, that could be for several different reasons, though. You have to be careful what you're reporting nowadays, because you have to have clear evidence that it actually happened, or else who knows what could happen. The cabbie said that when he reported the matter to the Ocho Rios police, he was very weak and was unable to wait for a receipt or receipt. I think this word should be receipt. It's a bit strange. The Star was told by an officer at the station yesterday that the investigating office was not at work. Also, they've been sleeping on the job, apparently. The investigating office, that is. Meanwhile, Johnny, his name is spelled differently from the usual, though. Well, style is style, I guess. Just kidding. Just kidding. While recounting the incident, said that he was standing at a gas station in Ocho Rios when a man who was wearing a strong fragrance cologne walked by. Yep, that's what actually happened. This is a confirmed report, by the way. So the man's fragrance was too strong for him, and because his sinuses gave way, he started sneezing. His sinuses, according to the taxi operator, the cologne triggered his sinuses, causing him to sneeze. I stepped back about 3 feet and sneezed. And him turned back and asked me, "What that you just do, man?" Meaning, what did you just do, man? Or what did you just do, sir? And I tell him that, "Boss, your cologne stink up in my nose and caused me to sneeze." So the cologne caused him to sneeze. Johnny told the Star. He said that the man brandished a knife and slashed him in the face. The man just took out the knife and just slashed him in the face, man. Crazy. I went to sit in my car and him come up to the window and ask me what I just do. And I tried to explain myself again. By the time I took my eyes off him to put down 2 oranges in my car, I just feel something sting me on my jaw. Something stung him on his jaw. And I just knock out right there. I don't know anything else. So apparently he became unconscious. Thank God he didn't end up in a coma, depending on how hard he was hit. He said something stung him on his jaw. Whoa, that could be anything. But apparently it was the the knife. He was just smashed right in the face. Oh my God. He said that since the incident, it has been even more difficult for him to provide for his family. He said that having lost plenty of blood, he is scared to drive, and so he has been forced to take a break from the taxi business. Now look at that. The man who slashed him in the face should be ashamed of himself. It's people like these that need to be isolated from the rest of society, because they're not only a danger to themselves, but they're a walking time bomb, ticking, just waiting to go off to blow society to smithereens. People like those should be isolated. It is very hard because our work is not that we have a big money put down. It's just a hand to mouth. Hand to mouth meaning hand to mouth in Jamaica it's a term in Jamaica that means you're barely getting by then. You're just working to get by. Right now I am at my sister's house and a food me come here for look, he said. He went there to get food. The attack on the taxi driver is yet another in a series of incidents that involve people being abused because they either sneezed or coughed, symptoms associated with the new coronavirus. Last month, a 38-year-old farmer from Betheltown, Westmoreland, said that he was beaten and thrown off a bus after he sneezed multiple times and was accused of carrying the deadly COVID-19. So as the Bible says, people have become faint out of fear, so to speak, because of what's going on. But the assurance is that soon our deliverance will come. It has to come one day. It has to come one day. This is a really shocking story, but a lot of people are cowards, so that's why they react in unreasonable ways, just getting up and assuming that people are carrying diseases. It's absurd. Why would you want to just get up and slash someone in their face just because you speculate that they might be carrying the COVID-19? That's like that's animalistic behavior. Well, I know humans are animals, but you know, we're mammals, we're warm-blooded. We have we're warm-blooded. We have our DNA is made up a certain way, etc. But out of all the species, we're the only ones who can reason on a reason on a intellectual level, on an intellectual level. So, but apparently some people are still mentally stuck in the Stone Ages. But anyway, stay tuned for more videos, trending topics from anywhere in the world. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. You'll get notified if you click on the notification icon of fresh content, as well as I might be giving away periodic giveaways. So stay tuned.